Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Alright guys, so I remember y'all showing y'all this Hyundai before. It's amazing difference at this point. Amazing difference at this point. Looks very good. And I put it up for sale, and a friend of mine hit me up and said, yo, you want it? And no shake, no misfire, nice oil change I just did. I just cleaned all this if you've seen my old videos. And yeah, man, I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit more for him, and he's coming to take this though. This car is gone, man. This car is gone. Yep. Nosy. But yeah, man, so this car's a great car, I'm not gonna lie. It's just not on the powerful end. I ain't gonna lie to you, it's not powerful at all as far as hauling ass, you know. But I gave my boy a great deal. I told him to come and get this, man. I can't do nothing with this car at this moment. You feel me? And he needs a car, he's gonna take it. So it's all his, you know? You're nosy people. Everybody nosy. I'm gonna fix the battery for him, put that in right, and this job is done. I'll show you what a steal this car is, man. This shit is a steal. You know, 100,000 miles, no check engine light, airbag light is on, but it's the passenger airbag. It could be a switch, or it could be the whole airbag itself, which I'm willing to fix. I also checked, and it only cost $40 for the new airbag, a used airbag, right? So it's a steal, man. This car is a steal right here. I ain't gonna lie to nobody. All right. You know, I'm selling it at $1,500, man. So it's like, it's a steal, bro. So you know, just wanted to show you that, and I'm giving him half a tank right now. Can't beat that at all. Nice clean engine, oil, all that. Can't beat it. Before he come and pick it up, man, this is the ending product right here. Ending product. Tighten up the battery. Battery's tight. You got the cover, oil change. The belts are tight. I don't think I get any tighter than that. All the fluids are full, right? Let me double check on that. Yeah, fluids is full. Filter, fluids, fuses. AC works. And this is it, man. So definitely a job well done on this one. I ain't gonna front. Definitely a job well done on this one. I'm just not trying to break any of the keys, but yeah. Only thing you gotta be careful with this car, I'll be forgetting. Oh, I took out the keys. Okay, good. It'll be locking on itself sometimes. Yeah, this is done. So after I put in a little bit of work, man, I cleaned it. I did the best that I could do, man. That Hyundai is gone. It's off my hands. And it's sold, man. On to the next one. Not an easy journey, but not a hard one either. So you gotta keep on working. It's dope, man. YouTube, y'all. Night your worker just pulled up to me and he said, yo, I be liking your stuff on YouTube, man. That's official, bro. That is truly official. I ain't gonna front. I'm getting a night your worker. I can't zoom in on that one, but that's dope. He pulled up to me. He's like, yo, what's up? I'm like, what's up, man? He's like, I'll be liking your stuff on YouTube, man. It's official. I'm like, wow. Early in the morning, man. It's official.